stretch all the way. 6, 7, 8. Very nice. And inhalation, lift it up, fully stretch up. And exhalation to the right side down, the second round. And 1, 2, take a little bit more over. 3, very good. 4, 5. And deep inhalation up, fully stretch out. Exhalation, left side down. Intensify, keep the knee straight. Yes, 1, 2, to keep straight. 3, 4, very good. 5, very good. Inhalation, fully stretch. Exhalation, close it. Good, about to close. Here. So here we go. Right way. Open. 4.5, keep it 5. 45 degrees left leg, 90 degrees right leg. Yes. Hips in the line. Yes. Open. 90 degrees right leg. Yes. Open a little bit more ahead. Okay. Here we go. Open a little bit more. Heels in line. Foot a little bit more there. Yes. And inhale. Arms up. And deep exhalation. Exhale, exhale. Pelvis, pelvis, pelvis down. Pelvis down. Take it over now. Go. Rest. Beautiful. Very nice. Deep breathing. Okay. 1. Don't push too much in a couple of breaths. Let's do breaths. Yes. 2. Yes. Don't look at others. Only listen to me. 2. 3. Open. Yes. 4. Now push the pelvis down. Yes. Open a little bit more. 5. 6. Open a little bit more. Yes. 7. Do like this. We'll show it back here. And 8. There we go. Inhalation up. Inhale. Turn. 45 degrees, 90 degrees. And there we go. Inhale up. And exhalation. Bend the pelvis, 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 pelvis. More, more, more. Take it over now. Go on. Yes. Exhale down. Yes. You can do it better. Just do the young girl. 1, 2, 3. Push the pelvis down now. 4, 5. Oh, look at that. 6. 7. Fantastic. Very good. 8. Very good, Varun. And inhalation. Take it out. 45, 90 degrees. Here we go. 45, 90. Inhale. And exhalation. Bend, 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 bend. Take it over a little bit more apart. Long legs. Go. Now push the pelvis down. Pelvis down. Yes. 1. Very good. 2. This is good now. Yes. 3. I like this, Varun. Yes. 4. Fantastic. Good. 5. And deep inhalation takes you up. Yes. Turn. 45, 90. Again, turn around a little bit more apart. The legs open. Now keep the arms up. Arms up. Arms up. Yeah. Inhale and deep exhalation. Pelvis, 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 pelvis down. More, 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 more. Take it over. Yeah. Deep breathing. Go. Right now. 1. Very good support. 2. Beautiful. 3. Fantastic. 4. 5. Yes. Inhalation. Come on. There's a hope for all of you. There we go. Turn to the side. 45, 90. And there we go, a little bit more apart now. Inhale. And really exhale down. Down. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Very good. Yes. That's 1. Very good. 2. Pelvis a little bit more down. 3. A little bit more down here. 4. Very good. This has to be 90 degrees. 5. A little bit more apart. And inhalation. Come on. Inhale. Turn around. 45, 90. Open the legs a little bit more. And again, inhale. And deep exhalation. Pelvis, 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 pelvis. More, more, more down. Take it over. Yes. Now you're more comfortable. Yeah. Just get a little bit more down. Now open. 1. Very good. 2. Fantastic, Varun. I like it. 4. Very good here. Push the pelvis down. And 5. And inhalation. Ready up. Exhale, close it. Pashvakonasana, finish. The Pashvakonasana, finish. Good.
Body better say good.
All right. Yes, look, Varun is all English. All right. So open the feet apart.
Must be tired.
And toes a little bit inside, inwards. And, yes. So you're going to go up and down. Okay. Now, hold the waist. Remember, before you come up, place the hands and stretch, and only then start coming up, okay? Very important. And inhale. Lift up, hold the breath, go back. And exhalation, bend forward. And down. Very good. And inhalation, come up, inhale, stretch the back. Go back a little bit, and exhalation down, good. Yes, and down, good. And inhalation again, hold the waist, inhale, hold the waist, straighten the back, yes, like that. And exhalation, bend down. Yeah, push the tummy in, tighten, oh, it's still difficult. And inhalation, come up, inhale, yes, a little bit more, pinky, pinky, and exhalation down. Down, now keep the hands like this, keep the hands, come on, yeah, straighten the back, now. And inhale, come up, yes, inhale, don't place the hands down, I want you to put the tailbone inside, look at that. And exhalation, bend forward, exhale, yes, maintain the back stretch, yes, moving to touch, very good. And inhalation, come up, straight back, very good. Go back, yes, very good, Sima, and exhalation, bend forward, good, support, good. Yes. Yeah, just maintain the legs straight here. Just elongate the back. Inhalation. Come up. Inhale. Straight more. Yes. This is good. And exhalation. Bend forward. Yes. Very good. And again, all the way straight back. Inhale. Yes, I like that. Go back a little bit more. Intensify. Exhalation. Bend forward. Good. Fantastic. And again, last one. Inhale, lift it up, full stretch out. Yes, straighten the back more. Yeah, very good. And exhalation, bend forward. Go down slowly. Touch the brick, touch the floor, or hold the toes.